this video, we're gonna learn how to solve this trigonometry math Olympiad problem from Viet Nam. Alright, sine to the 4s plus cosine to the 4s over 5 sine 2s equal 1/2 cotangent 2s minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Before we're gonna start, let's pause the video and give you a try. Alright, let's get started. So I just rewrite everything right here. So it's going to be sine to the 4s plus cosine to the 4s over 5 sine 2s equal 1/2. This cotangent 2s is going to be cosine 2s over sine 2s minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Alright, now we need to find the domain. So domain sine 2s must be different from 0. Alright, because if it's equal 0, and then everything's right here should be undefined. Alright, next we need to find the range for sine 2s and cosine 2s. So sine 2s and cosine 2s always in the closed interval -1 and 1. So keep that in mind. Now we see that this is power 4. We need to print it out. So we have this thing. So we have sine square s plus cosine square s always equal 1. So we use this one. Now we have sine to the 4s plus cosine to the 4s equal, right? We write this sine square of s all together square plus cosine square of s all together square. Alright, now we need to add and subtract the same amount to get the complete square. So we need to add 2 sine square s cosine square s, and then we need to subtract 2 sine s cosine square s. Alright, now the first 3 terms right here, this is actually complete square. So it turned out to be sine square s plus cosine square s all together square minus 2 sine square of s cosine square of s. Alright, next one. This one, sine square plus cosine square equal 1. So it turned out to be 1 minus 2 sine square of s cosine square of s. Alright, so we bring it over here. So we have 1 minus sine square 1 minus 2 sine square of s cosine square of s over 5 sine 2s equal cosine 2s over 2 sine 2s. Alright, minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Sine 2s equal 2 sine s cosine s. Alright, so if we square both sides, and then this guy must be square, and then this guy turned out to be 4 sine square s cosine square s. Now we have this one, we have 2 sine square cosine square of s but we need 4, so we basically right here we just multiply 2 and divide by 2, so it turns out to be 1 minus 1/2 parenthesis 2 sine s cosine s altogether square over 5 sine 2s equal cosine 2s over 2 sine 2s minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Alright, so this one right here, we apply this formula right here. Alright, 2 sine s cosine s squared is going to be sine square 2s. Alright, so it's turned out to be 1 minus 1/2 sine square 2s over 5 sine 2s equal cosine 2s over 2 sine 2s minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Now we need to simplify. So 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So 2 minus sine square 2s, and then 2, bring it over here, bring it down. So it turns out to be 10 sine 2s equal cosine 2s over 2 sine 2s minus 1 over 8 sine 2s. Alright, so we need to find the least common multiple at the bottom right here, which is 40 sine 2s. So we multiply both sides by 40 sine 2s. Alright, so 40 right here and 10 right here cancel out. So it could be 4. Right? So 4 times 2 right here, it's going to be 8. Right? 4 times negative sine square 2s, it could be negative 4 sine square 2s. Now, the right hand side. Sine 2s cancel out. 40 divided by 2 is going to be 20. So 20 cosine 2s equal 20 cosine 2s. Now, sine 2s right here cancel out. So 40 divided by 8 is going to be 5. So minus 5. We know that sine square plus cosine square equal 1. So it could be 8 minus 4. It turns out to be 1 minus cosine square 2s. Subtract 20 cosine 2s plus 5 equal 0. Alright, now distribute this one and simplify. So it turns out to be 4 cosine square 2s. Negative 4 plus 8, it will be 4. Alright, this is minus 20 cosine 2s. And then this is 8 minus 4, it could be 4. 4 plus 5, it could be 9. Equal 0. Now this is quadratic equation with respect to cosine 2s. Alright, so we factor this one. So it turns out to be, we put this 4 times 9, it could be 36. And it's negative 20. We need to find integers multiply equal 36 and add up to negative 20, which is negative 18 and negative 2. Alright, so it turns out to be cosine 2s minus 18 times cosine 2s minus 2. And then we need to divide by the coefficient right here. So it's divided by 4. Divide this guy by 4. Alright, so it turns out to be cosine 2s minus 9 over 2 times cosine 2s minus 1/2. Alright, equal 0. So cosine 2s equal 9 over 2. And then this guy equals 0, so we have cosine 2s equal 1/2. Now we know that the range for sine and cosine should be -1 and 1, so this is bigger than 1. If this is bigger than 1, we need to eliminate this one, so this is not solution. We only pick this one. Alright, so cosine 2s equals 1/2. 1/2, which means cosine pi over 3. Alright, so it turns out to be 2s equal pi over 3 plus k2 pi, and then 2s equal negative pi over 3 plus L 2 pi. Now k and L are integer. Alright, now we need to simplify, so it turns out to be s equal, divide both sides by 2, so it's going to be plus and minus pi over 6 plus k pi, and k is integer. And this is a good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand